You can earn a lot of money with affiliate marketing and even go on to earning up to $2,000 right here just by utilizing a strategy I'm about to reveal to you right now in this video right here. So you want to make sure guys you go on to sitting back right now to watch this video right here to learn and also utilize the strategy to make money online, as I'm going to be showing you how you could do that with Digital24 right here and also with this platform called Clickbank. And if you do watch that, like I said, you could make a lot of money online. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos out there that could actually help you right now. Also guys, you could make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and also your notification bell should always be turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. The first thing which you actually want to get done is to head on to a CP, an affiliate marketing platform like the Digital24 right now, or you could use platforms like Clickbank right here. So you want to go onto such platforms right here. You want to make sure you go into creating an account. It is not quite difficult to create an account. You want to click on start here for Clickbank. For Digital24, you want to click on register now to actually get an account created. Follow the step-by-step procedures which will be shown right there to actually provide your details and get an account created on such platform. Once you actually do get your account created, you want to go onto the affiliate marketplace where you'll be able to see a lot of offers. You may actually want to go onto selecting any niche of your choice. Maybe I can actually select the health and fitness niche, and I'll be able to see lots of products I could just simply take advantage of to go into promoting right now and making some cool cash right here. So you can actually take notes right here of the product right now, which this is a Live Pure product. You could also go on to seeing the conversion rate or the conversion of this particular product, that you get about $151 in commission once you actually do get a successful purchase to this product right now. That's quite cool right here, because making a single purchase a day right now is actually going to be amazing right there, because you're just going to be earning some cool cash right now. So what you want to do right here is to just simply click on promote. If you do click on promote right now, you want to provide your affiliate nickname. Go on to generating your uplink, and that uplink actually serves as your unique affiliate link which you could use to promote this particular product right now. So if I do insert my nickname, as you can see, that has actually been inserted and my link has actually been created. You can then just simply copy the link right now and go on to utilizing that to drive traffic to that particular offer. You could also see some stuff right here that will help you right now in the affiliate page and go on to promoting this particular product. And to do that right now guys, we're just going to be utilizing an amazing platform right here, which is actually called the gabcom. This is an amazing platform you want to just simply go on to leveraging right here, as this is actually a social media platform out there. So you want to just simply come onto this platform right here, and you want to make sure you sign up to this social media platform called gabcom. It's quite easy to sign up. Click on this sign up icon, you'll be brought to this page, and you want to just simply provide your basic details right here, like the username you intend on using, the email address you want to use, the password, confirm the password, and verify that you're a human via this captcha section. So you want to just simply provide these details right here. Once you do provide those details, you can actually get your account created right now. So you want to just simply log into your account like I did right here, as you can see right now. So right now guys, you can actually go on to promoting that right here. As you can see, I actually created a fresh new account for the purpose of this video right now, and you can actually do see right here that you do actually get followers on Gab. These are actually number of followers. This is the number of people you are actually following right here, and you will be brought to a page such as this. You want to just simply go on to confirming your email address via this section right here. You could also put in what's on your mind right now, just like how you can see stuff related to that on Facebook. So just like how Facebook actually works, this platform works similar to that. You could actually keep scrolling through and you could start seeing a lot of people's stories right now once you're actually following some set of stuff right there on this platform. You could actually go into exploring right here via this section. You could explore right now and you could just simply find out more cool stuff right here that you actually like on this platform. You could also go on to posting some cool and amazing stuff right here on the platform. Also, you could go on to focusing on the group section right here. This is actually a very cool place you want to just simply take advantage of right now, as you can just simply come right here and actually start searching for featured groups. Right now you may actually search for specific kind of groups right here. If I just target health right now and actually do click on search, you'll be able to see a lot of cool groups that are actually related to the health niche right now. You could also see the groups right here are having lots and lots of members right now. This group has about 15,000 members right there. As you can see, once you do open the group, you'll be able to see more details right now. If you do go on to check in right here, this one has about 7.8 thousand members, this has 7,000 members, 2.8 thousand, 2.5 thousand, and the list keep going on and on. You'll be able to see a lot of groups that have lots and lots of engagement right there based on the members right now. So if you do join any of those groups right here, you can actually do see people actually go on to posting regularly on such groups. So you want to make sure you do take out much time right now to generate a cool post and use that on this particular group. And to generate posts like that, you can actually go back to this particular platform right here, click on the affiliate page. So if I do click on the affiliate page right now, it's actually going to go on to taking me to a page where I can see more details about this particular product. So let me just simply keep on scrolling through. You can actually do see some details about the product right here via this section, and you can actually utilize that to go on to making some cool cash right there by using that to promote your offers right now. So in some cases guys, you may actually do see some email copies that you can use right now to promote that. Some offers or some products may actually come with landing pages for you. It may come with email copies, promotional images, and a lot of cool stuff that could help you right now in promoting that particular product, even alongside videos and some stuff related to that. So you want to just simply utilize such stuff right now to make sure you go on to promoting your offers on this particular platform called the gabcom right here. It is quite easy for you to do that right now. Just simply generate a very cool post on such platforms like this and utilize that to make money, to promote a CPA or affiliate marketing product, and also make money online. And one thing which you didn't know about this platform, that if you do go on to analyzing the Gab website right now based on similar web statistics, you will find out that it actually gets most of its traffic from tier 1 countries right now. As you can see, you could get about 8.2 million visits every single month right here, which is what this platform actually got in the last 28 days right now. You can actually scroll down to the bottom and you can see right here that it got most of its traffic from top tier 1 countries right now, like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and Germany right here. This is actually quite cool because all these are actually tier 1 countries right there with cool buying power. So it will be quite much more easier to go on to promoting your offer and getting better conversions to that offer by utilizing this platform called gabcom. You could also go on to leveraging the capabilities of this particular AI called the ChatGPT. So there are a lot of cool stuff right here which you don't want to miss out on. Leverage their capabilities right now to help you go on to writing cool content you could use to promote that product on this platform right here called the gab.com right now. And guys, one more cool stuff which you could do right here on such platform would be to go on to creating your own group. So you want to make sure you just take out much of your time, create your own group that you can actually go on to utilizing right now to go on to promoting any kind of offer you actually do have right there. So you can just simply create a group yourself right now. As you can see right here, you can see the Gab Shop, Gab News, Gab Trend, Gab Pro, and Gab Mobile. You can actually just see more right now, where you could just simply go on to making sure you find the section to create a group. So I'm just going to go back right now. You can see this section right here which says create group. You can create your own group and actually start promoting that group for you to go on to getting lots of members to the group, and also make sure you're promoting your offers and products in that group, and you can start making a lot of money online. So utilizing this strategy right here, if the video added some cool value to you, why not just simply smash the like button to the video? You want to just simply come on to subscribing to the channel and ensure notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.